Hey YouTube, I'm just going to be doing a Wethepeople Trust bike checkout. So we've got Wethepeople grips, handlebar grips. We've got salt. We've got a salt brake. We've got salt stem and a salt plus headset. We've got a Trust frame. We've got a Wethepeople seat. We've got pitch raw wheel at the front and a pitch flow wheel at the back. Just got some random pedals. Got salt back brake there, and that's mainly it. Yeah. We've got a really small sprocket there. Right. See you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, rate and comment. Bye.